Hello class, Mr. Stone here. I got the pen going, so we're all set. The problem I found online today, it says, what is 1/4 divided by 3/4? Okay, so what I did above here, I put dividing fractions, the little rule, okay? And we've talked about this quite a few times, okay? I call it the KCF rule. Keep, change, flip. It's right here, okay? So it shows they start with 3 divided by 3/4, and you keep the 3, and you change the sign from division to multiplication, and you flip the other one, okay? And that's all you do. See how they flipped it to 4/3 right there? See how they flipped it? They took 3/4, and they flipped it, and they made it 4/3, and that's all you have to do. So let's rewrite this one, okay? So we're going to have 1/4. Let me erase that little part here, because that's kind of where I was going to write. Okay, so we got 1/4 divided by 3/4. Now this could be written two different ways, you know. It could be written like 1/4 over 3/4. It could be written like this, okay? So you might see it on a test that way too, okay? No matter which way it is, okay? What you got to know is, right now you got a division. So what you do is you keep the first one, the 1/4, you change the sign to a times. I'm going to use a little dot because I like to use that because X is a variable in algebra. And you're going to see that a lot of times. Now you take the 3/4 and you change it over to 4/3. And then you do your multiplication. And that goes straight across, remember that? Okay? Now, you got a choice here, okay? I'll go through that. So your 1 times 4 is 4 over 12. And we got 4/12. You might look down real fast and say, wow, A's my answer. Look at that. It's just 4/12. Okay, but B, 4/12, when reduced, 4/12 equals 1/3. Okay, so A and B is both correct. You see that? Okay, A and B is both correct. Okay, now, in the beginning when you first started this quiz or test or whatever, they might have said reduce all fractions. They might have had one line there in the instructions. Okay, if you miss that, you might jump to A, and you might get it wrong, because B will really be the choice. But A or B, if I don't see where they said that, okay, so A or B both fits that, okay? But just so you see, you could, you know, I'd reduce it, and I'd probably go with 1/3 for B, okay? And that's all there was to it, okay? What you could have done, okay, here, let me draw this, write this again. I got 1/4. I now changed and flipped, so I get 4 over 3. I could cross these out. See these? I could cross them out, okay? And then just have 1/3. You see how I just did that? Okay? I can do that too, okay? And that simplified it, reduced it, and that's the correct answer is B, 1/3, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The more subscriptions I get, the more people will see it. If you know any students in school, please show them this, because they might see this on a quick quiz someday, a test, who knows where they'd see it. But at least they'd say, oh yeah, I remember that KCF formula that Mr. Stone talked about, okay? Keep, change, flip. And this is going to be easy, okay? And they'll get their problem right, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.